This is Khalid Iqbal speaking from Dallas, Texas. The other day, I received one email in which the gentleman coming from India was seen asking me a question that how come foreigners are not allowed to come in the contracting business in America. Let me tell that no doubt contracting is a very lucrative business in America, but most of the people coming from third world country, from our part of the world, they are not familiar with the basic rules and regulations. Therefore, probably they don't go into this business and they prefer to indulge in businesses like gas stations, like vapor or smoke shop, or to become a state inspector of the cars of the vehicles, hotel, restaurants, become a paralegal to open the pharmacy, or become a pharmacist or therapist. So this business, being a contractor, could be added another professions, another career, another job. Although I believe in our part of the world to become a contractor is a very charming business, but in America one should know the rules and regulations, and that's why there are so many seminars which are conducted by the SBA, by Small Business Administrations, only to give a basic orientations of the newcomers. I encourage people coming from overseas country and who are settled in America legally, lawfully, they need to become a contractor. This business is booming nowadays. There are so many departments, there are so many sections which need the people who can carry out the work, the businesses on behalf of the state. Therefore, businesses available to the foreigners are not only confined with the basic 5 or 7 type of businesses. Another business could be added into that category with the name of contractors, being contractors. But every department has got different rules and regulations. One thing is very sure, that contracting business is very much hectic. You need to put a handsome amount of money as a security, but there are so many avenues, there are so many branches of different departments which around the year keep floating different type of tenders. And if someone is familiar with the tendering technique, with the bidding technique, he knows local rules and regulations, definitely he would be proving himself very much successful, but at the end of the day. Thank you. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please click the subscribe button so that you keep receiving videos like this every week.